Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix can't change diagnostic data to full in Windows 10. First method is type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open Connected User Experience and Telemetry. Change Startup Type to Automatic, click Start the Service, click Apply, click OK, restart the service. Second method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Click and expand H key local machine, click and expand software. Click and expand policies, click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows, click and expand data collection. Delete Allow Telemetry. Close and exit Registry Editor, restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.